Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Harsh Rajput. So, how are you? I think you are fine. So, जैसे कि आप जानते हैं कि हमारा ये टॉपिक जो चल रहा है वो हमारा यूनिवर्स को लेके चल रहा है. फुल यूनिवर्स वी आर गोइंग टू कवर. ओके, सो टिल नाउ जो हमने कवर किया है वो हमारे 6 टॉपिक्स हैं. नेमली आवर यूनिवर्स, मेन डेफिनेशन, इंट्रोडक्शन, then our galaxies, mainly Milky Way galaxy. Okay, then our solar system and sun, and then our two planets, Mercury and Venus. Okay, so in the today's lecture we are going to complete our next two planet of Earth and Mars. Okay, and the next lecture will be coming on to asteroid, not asteroid, it will be coming on to the topic Jupiter and Saturn, and then the next two planets, and then nebula, and the formation of stars, types of star, the massive star and the small star, and then black hole, neutron star. Then by this our topic will be of universe will be completed. Okay, so this our channel focus on the study topic and some of the important current and some videos, and we have made another channel related to the technology. Okay, so it's the channel name is Technology with Rajput Smart. Okay, so please, if you want to have anything, so you can go on to the Technology with Rajput Smart, my YouTube channel, and watch. Okay, till now I have not uploaded any video, but today I will upload on it. So now our moving to our topic, today's Earth and Mars. So let's come to our topic. So we have come to our PDF top page. So today's topic is our related to Earth. Okay, today's topic, the Earth. Okay, the Earth is the part of the 8 planets that orbit the Sun. Okay, so what is the Earth? Earth is the part of the 8 planets. There are 8 planets that are orbiting the Sun. So our Earth is third in the number. Okay, it is the largest and densest rocky planet in the inner planet, is the only known to support life. Okay, so our Earth is the largest planet and the densest rocky planet in the inner planet. That I have told what is inner planet and outer planet. So the planet that come before the asteroid belt is known as inner planet, and the planet which come after the asteroid belt are known as outer planet. So our Earth is in the main largest in the, and it is in the inner, it is an inner planet, and it is largest here, largest and densest rocky planet in the inner. Okay, and it is the only planet in our solar system which is having the support to support life. Okay, so about 70% of the Earth's surface is covered by water, which is not found in liquid form on the surface of any other planet. Okay, so our Earth is having 70%, our Earth's surface is having 70% water. Okay, and it is in liquid state, and in none other place or the planet it is found. Okay, so our earth is the only planet where water is found in the liquid stage. There are four main layers: the inner core, the outer core, the mantle, and the crust. So our earth is having mainly four layers. So what is the name of them layer? Inner core. Okay, first one is inner core, then outer core, then mantle and crust. So not perfect, but somehow this is the thickest, this part, then this. Okay, so this smallest circle in this is our inner core, then next circle is our outer core, this is our mantle, and this thickest part is crust. So the fact about them is, it is the center point. Inner core is the center of the earth, and the largest layer of the earth is our mantle, and the thickest layer is our crust, and the continent and the ocean lies on the in the crust. Okay, so crust is at least to 40 km only thick. Okay, and our inner core is having a temperature of about 6600 degrees Celsius. Then it is written here, at the heart of the planet inner core at a temperature of about 6600 degrees Celsius. So now only just now I have told that the core is having 6600 degrees Celsius temperature. Okay, the heat from this inner core cause material in the molten of outer and mantle to circulate conventional current. So because of this high temperature, the metal what are found in the inner core are molten, and its effect can be seen in the mantle and outer core also. It is thought that these conventional space are these magnetosphere atmosphere help screen out some of the harmful radiation from the sun. Okay, meteoroids from reaching the planet's surface and traps in a heat to prevent extreme of cold. Okay, so this, it is conventional thought that this is made up of atmosphere. So atmosphere mainly contain the blanket of air is known as the atmosphere. This is the definition of the atmosphere. Okay, and what are the main functions? So it provides us gas. Main function is to gas, and it prevents harmful radiation, the ultraviolet rays radiation which sun secretes in the form of rays. It prevents the layer, ozone layer prevents it, and it is present in the atmosphere. Okay, and it also prevents much of the meteoroids from reaching the earth's surface, as they can destroy it. So due to the friction in the atmosphere, the meteoroids burn, and they burn completely, and as only come on to the earth, the big meteoroids or the large meteoroids fall onto the earth, and they are known as meteoroids, whereas the plan the meteorites which are one are known as meteors. Okay, and heat prevents extreme of cold, and it is the earth is in sufficient distance from the sun so that it is having not much cold and not much heat. Now next topic is our this only our the natural satellite. Earth has one natural satellite, the moon, which is thought to be formed when a huge asteroid impact passed. Okay, so our earth is having one natural satellite that is named as moon, and it is formed when a huge asteroid impact on it. Okay, according to the radiometric dating and other evidence, earth formed over 4.5 billion years ago. So radio radiometric is the radiometric dating is the thing or the process through which the life of the stone is found, and the carbon dating is the process through which the how old is the bone or a skeleton is found. Okay, so it is, and question arrives, what is the approximate age of the earth till now? So your answer must be 4.5 billion. Okay, earth's gravity interact with other object in space. Earth's gravity interact with other object in the space, especially the sun and moon, which is earth's only satellite. Okay, so earth is having only one satellite, that is moon, and earth's sun star is sun, so it is mainly interacting with these two. Okay, earth's orbit around the sun in 365.256 solar days, a period known as earth sidereal year. Okay, so the 1 year for the earth is approximate, if we are taking 365 and in leap year 366. Okay, but if it asks as correct, so your answer must be 365.256. Okay, producing seasons. So because of the earth is tilted, this causes in the season production of season. So earth is tilted to a degree of 23 point. So earth is tilted to a degree of 23.4 degree. So this causes the seasonal period in the earth. So the gravitational interaction between earth and moon causes tide, stabilize earth's orientation on its axis, and gradually grow slow its rotation. The point of the on the surface farthest from earth's center of mass is summit of equatorial Chimborazo volcano in Ecuador, which is 6,384 kilometers. So the farthest point from the center of the earth is Chimbaro volcano in Ecuador. Okay. Then some fact about the earth. That first fact, the deepest earth is having two mainly landmass, the ocean and the continent. There are seven continents. Okay. So Asia, namely Asia, South Africa, South America, North America, South Africa, and then Europe, Australia, and Antarctica. Antarctica is totally freeze, is made up of ice glaciers. Okay, and then our next is the main oceans. They are five in number. First, Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Pacific Ocean, Arctic Ocean, Southern Ocean, and Indian Ocean. Okay, and the deepest trench or the deepest point in the earth, the deepest trench is Mariana Trench, which is in the Pacific Ocean. The largest ocean is our Pacific Ocean. The largest continent is our Asia. Then our physical properties such as the desert, mountains. Earth is having desert, mountains, plains, valleys. So one of the fact about the desert, the in India the third desert is the world's most busiest desert. Okay, so this is the some of the facts of the earth, and this is the today's topic about earth. Now let us move on to the image discussion. Okay, so as you can see, this is our earth. Okay, this is our, so then next, so our earth is known as the blue planet. The main reason is when we look our earth from the space, it looks blue because of the water. Then next is white portion, which you can see is our mainly the clouds. Okay, and somewhere is the glaciers. Then the green part as shown is our plains. White part shown here is mountains. Here is our desert system, and this is our the continent Africa. Okay, so our earth, this is the physical map, the physical figure of the earth, and you can see these are the oceans. This blue part is our ocean, and white portion is mainly showing the clouds that are there. Okay, then next, so as you can see, this is somehow much clear. This is our north pole. Okay, here is our south pole, and this is our main the coldest continent area, the Antarctica. And you can see this full portion is mainly white. This is showing that it is mainly made up of the ice. And then this is our Africa. It has the largest desert, the Sahara Desert, here Kalahari Desert. Okay, and this is the 3D figure, and this is showing you the hills, mountains. This is the oceans, and here is the coastal areas. Okay, this is the some figure of our Earth. Now let us move to our next the topic, the Mars. So then our next is our Mars. It is the fourth planet in the solar system, and it is the last one in the inner planet. So Mars is also known as the red planet, is the fourth planet from the sun and outermost rocky planet. Okay, so it is the red planet, and it is mainly having so its main composition is red iron. Okay, 19th century astronomer first observed what were thought to be the sign of life on Mars. Okay, in 19th century, or we can say the 18th century, from 1802 to 1899, the sun is the 19th century, and at that time the astronomer first observed the sign of life on the Mars. The main reason for the sign of the life on the Mars is the appearance of water, or the sign they got of presence of water. The sign included apparent canal-like lines on the surface and dark patches that was thought known as canals are optical illusion. Dark patches areas where red dust have cover most of the planet been blown up away. Okay, so the main region is apparent canals that are formed due to the flow of water, and some of the dark patches that are formed because of the wind that occur here, and the red dust has been blown off. The fine dust particles are often wind up by the wind into dust storm that occasionally obscure almost all the surface. So here the wind storm is common, and its flow off or take off the red dust which is present here. Residual fine dust in the atmosphere give the material sky a pink hue. So due to the which of this region, it is when looked from the sky, it gives us an idea that it is in red color or pink hue. The northern hemisphere of the Mars have many large plains formed of solidified volcanic lava, whereas the southern hemisphere have many craters and large impact basin. Okay, so the main reason for the formation of our the plains is the volcanic lava. Okay, and in southern hemisphere there are many large craters. There is also several huge extinct volcanoes, including Olympus Moon, which is 60 km across and 50 km high, is largest volcano in the solar system. So here a question arises: name the largest volcano in the solar system. So your answer must be Olympus Moon. Okay, the surface can nodes and branching channels. The canyons are formed by the movement of the surface crust, but the channels are thought to be formed by flowing water that has not dried up. So the surface has many channels and canyons. So the this is formed due to the movement of the crust in the Mars, but the canals are thought to be formed due to the flow of the water which has now dried up. So the Manton atmosphere is, sorry, it's not Manton, it is Mars atmosphere is much thinner than the Earth with only a few clouds and morning mist. So its atmosphere is much thinner than the Earth, and it is having only a few clouds and some of the morning mists. Mars mass is too tiny. Mars have two tiny irregular shaped moons called Phobos. It's Phobos and Deimos. Very small in size, indicate that the asteroid have been captured by the gravity of Mars. So it is believed that these are the asteroid, and when they are revolving, the Mars gravity capture it. Okay. So the name is very important, the Phobos and Deimos. So let us take a picture review. So as you can see in the figure, this is looking reddish in color. This is due to the red dust it is having, mainly because of the presence of iron, and it is having volcanoes like you can see here. So like this figure only, there is a volcano named Olympus Moon, which is the largest in the solar system, and as you can see these dark patches, these are the areas where wind has blown away the dust, and see this is the rise, and may be the region where wind has put it up. Okay, and here as you can see there are clusters, and in the background there are many stars. Okay, and this is the figure of our Mars. So let us see another figure of it. So this is the also the figure of Mars. It is mainly showing how much red it is, and the main presence of the red oxide or the iron oxide. So the next in this, our Mars is tilted to an angle of 24 degree. Okay, and its atmosphere's main composition is 95% of carbon dioxide, 95% of CO2, and then nitrogen of 2.7%. Okay, argon of about 1.6%, and other gases like oxygen, carbon monoxide, and water vapor is present only in a small quantity of 0.7%. So this is the composition of the atmosphere of the Mars, and it is having mainly two layers, just crust, mantle, and the inner core or the core. So friends, this is our today's lecture. So we have completed our half of the planetary system. So our left 4 planets we will cover in the next 2 lectures. So friends, if you like my video, please subscribe if you are new, and please like the click on the like button and share with your friends, and do not forget to comment. As I am doing in the every video, I am providing the PDF of the particular thing or the particular video. Like this, I will be providing the PDF of this also. So if you like my video, please like, and if you are new, please subscribe my channel so that you can get the notification of my latest upload. And as I said in the earlier, that I made another channel, technology with Rajput Smart. So in that I will be uploading some of the videos, so you can go there also and watch the technical. And this group I have mainly made for study and some fun, but that is totally on the technology, that channel. So thank you for watching my video. Thank you.